My name is Callan Searcy, based out of Kansas City, Missouri, and I am a music producer. Myself and my buddy Matt have a group called Pop Culture. We're a producer-writer duo. We started Pop Culture in 2016. We just started writing together, and they were like, oh, we should probably just start releasing some music. So we dropped our first song in 2017. It got thrown on a couple playlists on Spotify, and within like a month we hit like 1 million streams. We were on the Macklemore episode of Songland. That aired yesterday, and my social media was blowing up the entire time. Like, I was so overwhelmed, I couldn't keep up with it, and people are texting me. We're getting followers on Twitter, everybody's tweeting at us. We knew we were gonna get a lot of looks on our socials, so we were like, probably better make our Instagram look legit. So we had to start doing some photos, getting some video content together, just some stuff for people to kind of engage with our socials. People that they want to follow, you know, like influencers or musicians or any kind of entertainment people they want to follow on socials. Like, they want to see engaging content. If our Instagram was how it was like a couple months ago, we definitely wouldn't have gotten as many followers as we did from getting shouted out on like a TV show. You're so accessible because of the internet and social media. It's almost like you always just kind of have to have your socials like prepped for anyone to be able to like look at it, whether it's like that next big opportunity that's gonna happen, like somebody's ready to reach out with like $100,000 budget to work on like an album or something. They're like looking you up on Instagram like, oh, are these guys legit? Social media is such a huge platform to engage with. It's literally just for people to be able to connect instantly. Like, anyone can connect with anyone in the world. It's a big platform for entertainment and influencers, because it's another way to promote your business or your services or anything like that. So you just always want to be ready.